Welcome to this lesson. I am WITT Roy. Today, I will explain how to correctly prepare, tab, and highlight permitted reference materials for the EWRB regulation examination so candidates can find information quickly without breaching EWRB exam rules. On this slide, I'll explain the reference materials and the basic exam rules. For the EWRB exam, you are normally allowed to bring only two books. The first one is AS/NZS 3000, the wiring rules. The second one is the Electricity Safety Regulations 2010. Tabbing is allowed, but each tab must have no more than 3 words. Highlighting is also allowed. However, there must be no handwriting inside the books. You cannot add notes, comments, or extra markings. If you follow these rules, your books will be accepted in the exam and you can find information quickly and safely. On this slide, I'll explain the basic tabbing technique. One important rule is do not over-tab the book. Tabs should be placed next to each other, not overlapping, so every tab word can be clearly seen. If tabs overlap, your eyes cannot see the tabs underneath, and this slows you down in the exam. Always leave enough space between tabs so the tabs below remain visible. Each tab should point to the highlighted content inside the page. This helps you open the page and land your eyes straight onto the highlighted sentence. Use 3 colors of tabs for different parts of the book. For example, red tabs can be used to mark the starting page of each section. If space is limited, you can adjust tab positions. However, most tabs should still follow the alignment rule. Clear readable tabs are far more useful than having too many tabs. On this slide, I'll explain how to highlight correctly. Use one highlight color mainly. At most, you can use 2 highlight colors. Only highlight key sentences. These should directly explain the words on your tabs and relate to exam questions. Avoid highlighting long or whole paragraphs and avoid over-highlighting. Too much color makes the page harder to read. Highlighting is a guide for your eyes, not decoration. It should help you find answers faster in the exam. On this slide, I'll explain how to choose the 3 words for your tabs. Rule 1 is from mock exam questions. Look at the questions you get wrong and take the keywords from the question. Examples include 0.4 seconds, 5 seconds, and switch neutral conductor. Rule 2 is from important rules or clauses in the standards or regulations. These are rules that are often tested. Examples include RCD not required, reclose devices, and arcing fault. Rule 3 is for special or navigation tabs only. These help you move around the book. Examples include Section 2 and Earth Conductor Tables 5.1. Using these 3 rules helps you create clear tabs that match exam questions and lead you quickly to the correct reference. On this final slide, I'll show some real examples of tabbing. All the examples you see come from actual exam reference books like the ones shown earlier in this lesson. Each tab uses no more than 3 words. These words are chosen either from mock exam questions or from important rules in the standards and regulations. You can see the tabs are grouped by areas of the book using different colors. They are placed next to each other with enough space so every tab word is clearly visible. The tabs are also aligned with the highlighted content inside the page. When you open the page, your eyes land straight onto the highlighted sentence that explains the correct answer. These examples show that good tabbing is not about having many tabs. It is about having clear, readable tabs that help you find answers quickly during the exam. To finish this lesson, remember this. Use tabs as exam tools, not notes. Keep the wording short, clear, and linked to exam questions. Avoid over-tabbing, keep tabs readable, and always align tabs with highlights. If you prepare your books this way, you will save time, reduce stress, and work more confidently in the EWRB exam. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.